All right, Mike. Over the years, you've helped dispel a lot of rumors and myths about gaming for me, but now I challenge you to dispel a myth and a rumor that's going around about you. So, in the video where you're riding a unicycle and solving a Rubik's Cube, wearing a hoodie, allegedly you faked it by pulling a solved Rubik's Cube out of that hoodie, so people don't believe you actually do it. So I have to challenge you to ride that unicycle and solve a Rubik's Cube in a way that people can tell it's you the entire time. Do you accept the challenge?
I accept.
All right, let's see it.
Thanks, Angela.
Hi, my name is Heather Ferris, and I officially challenge Mike Shackelford to the Rubik's Cube Challenge. I want him to solve this Rubik's Cube while on a unicycle, and I really appreciate Mike giving me the honor of scrambling this Rubik's Cube up. So as you can see, everything is perfect, and I am going to scramble it up, and he's going to have to solve it. So. Okay, that should be good. Okay.
That is classic.
You think I can do it?
That is fucking classic.
You think I can do it?
I don't care, I'm a comedian, I gotta see this.
All right.
I gotta fucking see this.
All right, you're going to see it.
No fucking way.
Pardon me, ma'am?
This is worth my lunch break right now.
All right.
This fucking guy. Wait a minute, let's see the cube. Let's see the cube.
Sure.
All right, everybody.
Scramble it
Cube
some more.
is all scrambled. I'm gonna help this guy with his little task he's gonna do right now. He's gonna be on a unicycle, I'm Kid Scurry, and he's gonna de-scramble this cube. And you can see, just Google Kid Scurry at YouTube, Kiddscurry. Now, this gentleman is gonna attempt a feat to do to you this Rubik's Cube and his unicycle. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you. Did you say something?
Yeah, I advise you come ride that out here.
You said on the mall. I didn't think this was the mall. Okay.
Everything out here is part of the mall.
Are you serious?
All right, I apologize.
This guy, is he really gonna do this to us today?
I apologize, sir.
Are
I
you
didn't know it
kidding
was
me?
on
What is this guy? This guy's got something better to do. I'm sure he
the
does.
mall. I didn't know.
You didn't know, okay.
Okay, so I apologize. I'm not, okay, you're not gonna have to tell me again. Thank you, sir.
So this is our second attempt. The security guard threw us off the first time. So we're up here on top of a parking garage in downtown Las Vegas, and we're going to try doing it again. I'm going to scramble this up one more time. This is so scrambled, I don't even know if he's going to be able to do it. That's how scrambled this is. But he is going to attempt to solve this Rubik's Cube on top of his unicycle. So we are going to see.
Thanks, Heather. So, Heather, just try to stand right there, and I'm going to ride around you.
Okay. Nice. Wow. Nice.
Unicycle Rubik's Cube challenge accomplished.
Woo!
Okay, cut.
Google me, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm Kid Scurry, comedian, screenplay writer, director, producer, Kiddscurry. Google me at Kid Scurry, Kiddscurry. My number is 702-542-4792. This guy, you're awesome. I'd like to see that Rubik's Cube and that unicycle deal.
Thank you.